There was a quick situation where with eBay, it was like 5 years ago that I had set up my account wrong. Well, I didn't set my account up wrong. I just did the wrong steps too fast. I was making too much money and I was selling too fast and it was starting to become a business for me. And since it was becoming a business for me and I was selling too fast and I was doing too much and I was doing too much volume, and at the time I switched my account over to a business account. So when I switched my account over to a business account, but also I had a business checking account, I I linked it to eBay. But for some reason there was some issue because of how I did it. I did it wrong, and then I called eBay so they could try to do it for me, which was a big mistake. And it was set up wrong. And then when it was set up wrong, I was hit with a MC011. Now, for anybody that doesn't know what an MC011 is, this is what it is right here. Let's see. There you go. MC011 is where they restrict your account. They restrict your account where you can't sell. You can't you even the funds, all the funds are on hold. And this is a situation that can happen. It does happen to people. And you can see right here the date on here where it was 10/12/2021. All right. So that was 5 years ago. And you can see here where it says we restricted your account because we noticed activity that we believe is a risk to our community. This restriction means the following: your selling privileges are temporarily restricted. You won't be able to create new listings or revise any listings that are live on our site. You also can't register a new account. Like, you're just totally blacklisted. And it's a horrible, horrible place to be at. And I remember for me, the reason that I say this, because I save everything, but I save this for inspiration. Because of course I eventually got it lifted, but I think it was like it took 2 weeks. But during those 2 weeks, I had knots in my stomach because this was finally at a time where my numbers was becoming professional. I was finally starting to have a real business. And I've always felt like in my life there were so many different things that was things that didn't work out for me, so many different businesses that didn't work out for me, so many different time robbers. And when this happened, I was like, wow, just another thing to punch me in the gut where something is being taken away from me. And I set it up incorrectly. Now, in order for me to fix this, only thing that I had to do is not only, but I had to show proof that all of the volume, because there was so much volume that I was shipping. So I had to show volume, or I had to show proof of delivery for all the volume. Every single thing had to been delivered. And not only had to had been delivered, but it had to been scanned. And then it was like 48 hours had to go by, every single one of them. And then I had to show proof. Cause I mean, I had like, it was so many orders. Like, I'm cooking with fire at this time. Like, I'm in business. Nobody can stop me. But I felt like what we always talk about in life, right? When life or the universe knows that you're on the path for greatness and that you're changing your frequency, that's when the devil always gets involved. And then it always tries to slow you down with something. And this was the moment right here. So I saved this as a reminder. But I always save things like this as a reminder for me to be grateful. So I saved this as a moment for me to be grateful. And this is how I was able to work so hard. I worked so hard because of this screenshot. Anytime that I needed to be reminded and be grateful. Because during those 2 weeks, I thought that my business was taken away from me. During those 2 weeks, I thought that I would not be able to sell on eBay and that I was going to have to try to sell art on social media or Instagram, where we know that there's no conversion rate over there. I thought that um here I was making all this money and it was coming so fast that I had a business account and all that. I thought it was all gone because of this. And I had no understanding like what was going. And then they weren't even clear too of what I needed to do. So that was the hardest part. They weren't even clear. So I just remember every single day I had like anxiety, knots in my stomach, and I saved this. So I show this to you to be transparent with you about thing about minimalizing risk, but I also share this with you where if you're not a part of the elite community, it benefits you to be part of the elite community because I see so many people who set their account up improper and they get MC011s all the time. This happens to people who are not part of the initiated in the elite community and you don't know how to set your account up. This happens all the time to people I see. And I can walk you through of how to get it fixed. But yeah, at least that people don't have to worry about that. So also, I keep this as a screenshot, and you need to have different things in your life for a screenshot to show how grateful you are and why it benefits you to wake up in the morning and to work hard. Because you could be like, dang, I remember during that time when I thought I lost my business and the sales weren't coming in. I would have gave anything to be in this situation that I'm in today to be able to just show up and do work. So at least that you get to paint and show up and do work. So if you're in that where you're like, hey, at least I get to show up and do work because at least that you get paid for it. At least you don't have an MC011 on your account. And that is such a blessing. And I remember during that time, I still was working. So I didn't chill out for those 2 weeks that I was suspended. I was still working every single day. Like I knew that whenever it got released, I was going to have a flood of new art that was going to be scheduled. And I never forget that I had so much new art. Like I didn't stop. I didn't stop. I kept working every single day. Like it was a day for auction, but I just saved it. So that way when it was time to do it, or when it was time when they was going to release my account, or if they released it, I was going to have a new slew. I didn't sit all depressed. Oh, poor me. I on the couch. Oh, I'm sad. This happens. No, you got to keep going. You got to keep going. So this is what I did to keep going. All right. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm going to check you out on the next video.